I will present the quarterly results of expenses of 9 shops distributed around the country. The blue color means the amount that was spent below the budget, and green color means the amount that was spent over budget. According with the chart, of the 9 shops shown, only 3 are a bit higher than what was budgeted. These 3 shops are those identified with the letter B, G, and H. Research shown that these results were caused by additional transportation expenses that were not considered in the budget, because the vehicle used by these shops to transport the merchandise represent a greater expense for being located farther from the production centers to the shops, and therefore requires supplies such as gasoline and maintenance more regularly than the rest of the stores. As a result of this performance, I propose that we consider the average expenses of this last period and project them for the next periods only in these shops in order to create a budget adjusted to reality.